guys, it's Alice. Welcome back to my channel. I have a book to share with you that I just finished. This is a custom order. It has butterflies on the cover. I did some embossing and I edged it gold. Here's the spine. For this book, I did a hidden binding method because I thought the spine is already busy. It has floral in the middle and leaves at the bottom and the top. And I did a charms too. Big metal key, glass beads, some metal flower. Here's a crown, a coffee charm, and here's the back. It's just richy brown and there's a little butterfly here. This is a little goodie bag. I will show you this in a minute. She wanted this book has various things she likes, so I included botanical things, butterflies, deer, stars, and so on. Color paper, a photo pocket. This book is filled with green, pink, and a little bit of purple. Shoulder paper, thicker color paper, pink roses, and this is real vintage ephemera. Can you see this? It's from 1926. It's a receipt from Post and Telegraph Office. Tea-dyed paper. This is an envelope like this. And this is a vintage postcard. It is inside of St. Pietro Basilica in Rome. Scrapbook paper. This is book page, a fold out. A beautiful constellation paper. Tea-dye paper, another envelope with a journaling card that has lavender. Butterflies. The other side of book page. Soft pink color paper. Scrapbook paper. Book page. Tea-dye paper. Another photo pocket. Here's deers, vellum paper, butterflies, a beautiful cake illustration. This is from recipe book. It is almond cake recipe and I love this illustration. It's so beautiful. At the back there is different cakes recipe. Another fold out. This is from botanical book. Color paper. Small pocket here. Flowers. Another envelope. In the back, there's an expandable pocket. There's the book. And in the goodie bag, I have included some journaling cards, photo frame. This is a birthday wish list because I know her birthday is soon. Some doilies and some labels. And I cut out her names. In this glass bag, I have included some ephemera. There's little bunny, butterflies, flower, label. And these are stickers. You may have seen this. I've seen this in my Galaxy journaling video. They have gold foil accents. It's so pretty. There's that. Green flower, camera, a coffee. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Have a great week. I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye!